Hello and welcome to our new video. In today's video, we're diving into Pictory, a video creation platform that's been making waves for its innovative approach to turning scripts and articles into captivating videos. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about what Pictory is all about. Pictory is designed to simplify your video creation process. Whether you have a script or an article, Pictory transforms your text into engaging video content with minimal effort. One of the standout features of Pictory is its script-to-video functionality. You can take any script, like the one I generated using an AI tool, and Pictory turns it into a video in just a few clicks. Pictory offers a variety of templates. Whether you're looking for something corporate or more creative, there's something for everyone. Remember, the choice of colors, fonts, and sizes can really elevate your video. But what about visuals? Pictory has a vast library of video backgrounds. Sometimes they might not align perfectly with your content, but no worries. You can easily search and replace visuals to fit your narrative. Let's talk voiceovers. Pictory offers various English accents, or you can upload your own. A pro tip? Mix AI-generated voiceovers with your recordings for a unique touch. Adding music to your videos? Pictory has over 15,000 tracks. You can toggle music on and off depending on the mood you're aiming for. Editing text is a breeze with Pictory. Add, edit, or remove text and play around with different fonts and styles to make your message pop. Don't forget the article-to-video feature. Convert your written content into a video format easily, making the most out of your existing material. Worried about content theft? Pictory lets you add watermarks to your videos for that extra layer of security. While Pictory is incredibly user-friendly and versatile, it's not without its drawbacks. The automatic visual alignment might need some tweaking, and the intro-outro scenes might not be everyone's cup of tea. In conclusion, Pictory stands out as a robust tool for content creators. Its ease of use, customization options, and innovative features make it a go-to for transforming scripts and articles into visually appealing videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.